Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel Oliver and I'm going to be your English teacher this semester. As you know, things are different than they usually are because we're going to do this semester virtually, which means we won't actually meet each other in person. And that's difficult for me because I like to get to know my students and I like seeing you, smiling at you, seeing you smile at me. I know it's very easy for you to ask a question when I'm right in front of you and you can just raise your hand. But we're going to get through this, and I think this is going to be a great semester. Number one, learning online is the best way for you to prepare for the future because the future is going to be virtual. Whether you're doing business or if you're going to get a job after you graduate, or maybe both, you're definitely going to need to have strong internet skills. There are a lot of apps and functions that are just as important for communicating as speaking and reading and writing. So think of it this way. If you're not able to interact with computers in the future, it'll be the same as being unable to read. And that's what I think the real advantage of this semester is going to be for you. Not just the English that you will learn, but also the skills that you will develop by learning online. Okay? So I'm not going to leave a long video for you. I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself. And the last thing that I'm going to do is tell you a few basic things about how this class is going to work. You're right now on Google Classroom to watch this video, and almost everything we do will be on this Google Classroom app. So get used to it, make sure that you're able to find it, and if you're going to use your mobile, I suggest that you install the Google Classroom app on your mobile as well. However, in order to do your assignments, you will often need to type, so it's useful for you to have a laptop available. If you do not have a laptop available, let me know by email and I'll see what I can do to help you. Okay? Now, whenever I post something on Google Classroom, you'll get an email. Or if you have the app on your mobile phone, you'll get a notification. All you'll have to do is click the link in that email or notification and you will see whatever I have posted. If whether it's an assignment or an announcement or just some information that I would like for you to see. So you won't really have to do anything. You'll just wait until you hear from me. When we have a class, the classes will be on Zoom. So I suggest that you download or install Zoom and make sure that you're ready to use it so we can communicate. When we are using Zoom, your camera needs to be on, okay? Some of you may be shy about that, but remember, if we're having a classroom in person, like we usually do, of course, you'll be sitting there in front of everyone and everyone will be able to see you. I don't think anyone is going to look at you. I think they'll mostly be looking at me. And oftentimes I will share my screen to demonstrate information. So don't be shy. Another thing that I want you to do when you're on Zoom is to put your microphone on mute. There's a button with a microphone usually on the bottom left of your screen. That should be muted because when I talk, if your microphone is on, then there will be an echo and no one will be able to hear. Then, if you have a question, you'll just unmute your microphone and say, Teacher, I have a question. I will hear you. We'll all hear you, and you'll be able to talk. Okay? Those are the basics of the class. I'm going to stop this video now so I can give you more information in other videos and not make this video too long. All right? Now, if you have any questions right now, you can comment to this post. So close the video, go back to the same post on Google Classroom that you clicked to watch this video and write your question or comment right there. For now, I'll be the only one to see what you write. However, In some conversations and some assignments, the comments will be visible to everyone. So don't write anything too personal. If you have something really personal, go ahead and email me. Last but not least, please keep your comments academic so that anything that people write on our Google Classroom timeline will be useful to everyone. Jokes and other things like that won't be acceptable here, and I don't want to have to tell anyone that they're not allowed to comment anymore. I'm sure you can all handle that. Bye for now.